It's okay.
The whole road is eroding.
No, well.
And it's about to flood for days.
It's gonna be gone tomorrow.
Goaty! They know. Look at them coming. How old is baby May now?
She's getting close to a month, I think.
We put that out there for the goats to play with, but Chestnut, the most curious cow, has commandeered it.
You know what Chestnut needs?
What?
A big giant ball to whack around with his head.
I bet he would love it. Hey, mister. Oh, he's so sweet. Likes to scratch himself. Hey, buddy. Oh.
Up here is just exactly what I measured before, 6.5. Put this in there. When I had both my eyes, this was a lot easier. Can you shoot the gun?
Yeah.
Toenail it right down there at the bottom then.
Oh no, it's toenail it now.
Put it on there and shoot a 45-degree angle. I'll push it so it locks in and shoot. No. Very cool. Alright, you see, you hook it in there. See how it hooks? Yeah. Alright, here you go. Try it now. You're not gonna mess up anything. Alright, come over on this side and try to do one. Put that little hook in there. Done it all your life, you just have to do it till you're used to it. My granddaddy and I used to sit on the back porch when he had Alzheimer's and drive nails into the porch. Needmore Farm has gotten 2.2 inches of rain.
It was a flash flood, seriously.
We're in the on top orange. Wow, wow.
It's time for the chickens' evening treat. Rain or shine.
We'll feed your behind.
What do they think about potatoes? Big fans.
Now we gotta go see about the goat.
The whole crew's in here. Oh, we have got to get their house built soon. They're all trying to lay in the trough and stuff to not be on the ground. That's terrible.
I know.
Okay, we're gonna build y'all's house.
This was a mess before we ever got here. Oh, I forgot. What we do here.
I don't know if it's even worth trying to feed them when it's so wet, really. We try to do it every night though, so that they always come and we can make sure they're all together.
At least they know we love them. Every bird gets to learn. Yes, it is. Earliest to go.
They really don't seem to mind the rain.
No, they're cows. They are evolved the same way.
It really is up.
Well, it's a flash flood and there's a tropical storm passing over, so this is about as good as it gets. Bad.
Wow. I guess we better check on the culvert then, huh?
Oh, yeah.
It's completely washing out. That's the concrete.
Well, okay, well, we just need to put a load of dirt or two behind it. Or concrete. Well, really, this is wash water because he took out that burn. So we can put the burn back. We can put it back with the box water. It's okay.
The whole road is eroding, and it's about to flood for days. It was 12 feet. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11.
It's not as much.
So a whole foot washed away. That's really bad. Heading out for our last goat check of the night. It's about 9 o'clock, and then all we gotta do is our dog's routine and we should be done.